My name is Nadia Salsabila, Statistic Class C. My major is Statistics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, University of West Sulawesi. On this video, I will explain the material about telling time. There are many things we can learn when learning English. One of them is material about time or telling time. Then, how to ask and say the time in English? Well, let's discuss the telling time material together to make it easier for you when learning English. On this slide, there are two ways that you can use to express time in English. You can use British style or American style. Here's the full explanation. The first part, hour plus minutes. This is an American style, where we say the hours first and then the minutes. American style is a simpler and easier way of telling the time. From telling time, because the pronunciation is similar to the pronunciation of hours in Indonesian. Example, it is 5:20, or in Indonesian, jam 5 lewat 20 menit. It is 7:37, jam 7 lewat 37 menit. And so forth. You can see it on the slide. The second part, minutes plus past or to plus hour. The second way is that you can say the minutes first and then the hours. This is a British style, where the way it is pronounced is different from the American style. Telling time using British style has its own rules to explain the relationship between minutes and hours, including a half, or in Indonesia, digunakan untuk kata ganti 30 menit. A quarter, seperempat, digunakan saat jarum jam menunjukkan kurang atau lebih 15 menit. A clock, yaitu tepat. Atau jika jarum panjang menunjukkan ke angka 12. 2, untuk menyatakan waktu kurang dari dan digunakan saat jarum panjang menunjukkan lebih dari 31 menit ke atas. Pas, untuk menyatakan waktu lebih dari dan digunakan ketika jarum panjang jam menunjukkan lebih 1-30 menit. On this slide, there is an example of telling time using British style. It's 2 o'clock, or in Indonesian, pukul 2 tepat. It's 10 minutes past 7, jam 7 lebih 10 menit. It's a quarter past 8, jam 8 lebih 15 menit. And so forth, you can see it on the slide. The next section uses AM and PM in telling time. You must often find AM and PM when learning telling time. The two indications of time have their respective abbreviations. AM stand for antemeridian, which serves to show the time from midnight to noon, while PM stand for post-meridian and is used to indicate the time from noon to midnight. If you don't want to use AM and PM, you can replace them with the words in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Example, it's 2:45 a.m., explaining that it was 3 to 15 minutes in the morning. It's 8 p.m., indication it's 8 o'clock in the evening. After we know how to read the clock in English, the next step is to learn the sentences that are often used to ask the time when we learn telling time. You can use the following telling time sentence. First, what time is it? What is the time? What time is it right now? May I know what time is it? Do you know what time is it? Well, that's the material about telling time earlier. This is the explanation of the material about telling time. Hopefully, what I say can be useful for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.